Welcome to your English news on ERi-TV. It's exactly 10:30 p.m. here in the capital, Asmara, with your local and global reports. I'm Zahra Badouri, but first, with your exclusives for this broadcast. Teachers Association conducted workshop for members. Potable water project in Debri administrative area. North Korea vows to enhance war response posture. And Russia GDP grew 4.1% in 2024. On your local brief, the Teachers Association in the Central Region conducted a workshop on leadership and management for 443 principals, heads of administration, and pedagogy heads for various schools. The workshop was held from 6 to 8 February. Mr. Daniel Mengistab, head of the association's regional branch, stated that the objective of the workshop was to enhance the capacity of school administrative staff and improve workers' effectiveness. Mrs. Sanait Mikael, however, secretary of the association branch, highlighted that the main goal of the association is to promote the professional development and capacity of teachers. In line with this mission, the association has been organizing similar workshops and will continue to do so in the future. Mr. Daniel Solomon, head of the educational office in the Galan Nefhi subzone, emphasized the importance of implementing such workshops at the school level, given their role in enhancing the teaching and learning process. The workshop, conducted by a management expert, focuses on leadership skills, principles of schools administration, conflict resolution, job descriptions, role management for school administrators, and the importance of vision, goals, and mission development. A new potable water project put in place at a cost of 3.6 million nakfa has been inaugurated on 3 February in Debri Logo Ansaba subzone. The project was implemented in collaboration with the public administrations and members of the Defense Force. Mr. Eyob Takhlemariam, managing director of the administrative area, said that the project includes water reservoirs with capacity of holding 250 barrels, installation of 4.7-kilometer water pipeline, putting in place solar system, as well as construction of 4 water distribution centers. Commanding for the coordinated effort conducted, Mr. Abraham Hagos, administrator of the subzone, called on the residents to conduct sustainable follow-up for the continuity of the project and proper use. Mr. Mizgina Gabrasilase, Director of Water Supply Development at the Ministry of Land, Water and Environment, inducted the strong effort is being exerted to ensure and expand potable water supply across the country. Commanded also the strong participation of the residents of the administrative area. The residents said that beyond ensuring potable water supply, the project will have significant contribution in the eradicating diseases that occur due to lack of clean water. They also expressed gratitude the members of the Defense Force for their strong participation in the project. Debri administrative area is located 3 kilometers east of Makarka and its residents to 1,200 people. Up next, your global reports. Do stay tuned. On your global, North Korea state media said on Sunday President Kim Jong-un, top leader of the Diplomatic People's Republic of Korea, vowed on Saturday to bluster war response posture to cope with any security situation during his visit to the Ministry of National Defense, marking Day of Army founding. In his speech commemorated the 77th founding anniversary of the Korean People's Army, President Kim Jong-un, General Secretary of the Workers' Party of Korea, and President of the State Affairs of the DPRK, noted that the need to improve the war response posture and ensure readiness of the country's armed forces to comfort security challenges. The official Korean Central News Agency reported. President Kim, however, pointed out that the U.S. Constant deployment of nuclear strategic means on the Korean Peninsula, the U.S.-led bilateral and multiple nuclear war stimulations exercises its trilateral military alliance with South Korea and Japan, and the formation of the Asian vision of NATO are inviting military imbalance on the peninsula and in Northeast Asia, and posing a grave challenge to his country's security. However, President Yoon was quoted saying that the DPRK does not want unnecessary escalations of the regional situation, but will take sustained countermeasures to ensure the regional military balance out of the aspiration for preventing the outbreak of a new war and ensuring peace and security on the Korean Peninsula. In an additional report, the North Korean president said that the army and people of the DPRK will invariably support and encourage the just cause of the Russian army and people to defend their sovereignty, security, and territorial integrity in keeping with the spirit of the Treaty on the Comprehensive Strategic Partnership between the DPRK and Russia. Russia's GDP reached a record high last year, breaking the world record, according to Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin. The Prime Minister made the remark on Friday during a meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin on macroeconomic policies for sustainable growth. Prime Minister Mishustin cited data published by Russia's state statistics agency Rosstat, which reported that GDP grew by 4.1% in the year 2024, while Russia's nominal GDP hit a record high of 200 trillion rupees, equaling $2 trillion US dollars by the end of 2024. The Russian Prime Minister emphasized that the Russian economy is successfully adapting to sanctions, unlike some of the countries that agreed to impose them, which are now facing stagnation. Mishustin described the manufacturing sector as the key driver of Russia's economic growth, further highlighting that Russia's unemployment rate averaged below 2.5% in 2024 and has now fallen to 2.3%. Last month, President Putin said that 2024 was a successful year for the Russian economy, emphasizing that key microeconomic indicators remain positive. In another report, it is said that the Western countries have also been counter-impacted by the schemes they propagated against Russia, using the Russian-Ukraine war to create economic, military, and security instability within the country. Your top up once more with your major headlines. Teachers Association conducted a workshop for members here in the capital, Asmara. Potable water project in Debris administrative area. North Korea vows to enhance war response posture. And Russia's GDP grew 4.1% in the year 2024. Do keep yourselves updated with your global and local reports here on ERi-TV. Until we are back with some more reports, stay tuned with the rest of our programs. Until then, bye-bye for now.